my name is Travis Reeves, proud superintendent of Surry County Schools. Today, we're featuring a new video segment called Surry County Schools Beyond the Bell. The purpose of this video segment is really to allow our community to get to know the great people that attend our schools and the great people that work in our schools. Today, we're going to be highlighting our SRO officer, Sergeant Jake Levesque at Dobson Elementary School. So thankful to the town of Dobson, to the commissioners for fully funding this SRO position. Sergeant Levesque, thank you for working in our schools, keeping our students and staff safe. Please enjoy.
I'm Jake Levesque. I'm the SRO at Dobson Elementary School. Transition, it has been challenging. It's through a few curveballs. You go from out on patrol, you have multiple assignments on the road, to where is when you get in a school, you're concentrated on one focus, and that's keeping the students and staff safe. My favorite part of being an SRO is probably being able to see the kids coming to school every morning with a smile on their face. That's extremely important to me. It makes me feel good on the inside. I'm able to tell all the kids good morning every morning, and just to see their smile really lights up my day. The biggest challenge I've been faced with would probably be coming in as the first full-time school resource officer Dobson Elementary's ever had. Just learning the ins and outs of everything, the halls, the schools, the staff, the students, becoming more familiar with everybody. I've had several student stories already, and it's only been 2 weeks. I was a mother of one of the children, or the students that go to school. She had sent me a video of her child, and he had a vest on, like a bulletproof vest, like the one I'm wearing now. And he had went home and told his mom that he was Officer Levesque and that he was going to keep the house safe. That was a huge impact on my life, just knowing that a kid may look up to me as an officer and being able to be that positive impact for that student.